Split screen on an iPad. I mean, I think that's one of my favorite features.
Turn this on for you.
Yeah, turn that on for me. That's one of my favorite features on an iPad, just because I can like multitask while I'm in the airplane. Let's say I don't have a lot of real estate in the panel. I can do a split screen or split view, so I can only have just one device. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to connect to the iLevel AP, which seems like I am connected. Show you here Nanda, and then I'll put this on the screen as well for you guys to see. But
maybe
this is
put
pretty...
it in, yeah.
No, split screen, we have to do it this way. So the way to do it is you open the app of choice. Let's say I'm going to open my Levil Aviation app. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my finger, and I'm going to not scroll up, but I'm just going to swipe slowly from the bottom up.
Maybe show the camera.
And then you'll see a...
Like do it facing that way.
Yeah. So what you're going to do is with your finger, you're going to kind of swipe up, and then you're going to have the apps at the bottom. This is one way to do it. So you just grab the navigation or the app that you want to use for split screen, and then you just touch it and drag it to one side. This is great because you can use maybe like a third of the iPad on one navigation app and the other third of the iPad with any other app, such as our Levil Aviation app.
One of the things, like why even use split screen? And the reason is that not all navigation apps can show all the information that the Levil devices are sending, like the bomb or the iLevel. Like if you want to see your angle of attack gauge, in this case, ForeFlight does not show angle of attack. So you can have a split screen and then here add a view and put your angle of attack, for example, here, AOA. So you can AOA. Display extra information that you can't necessarily do on your navigation app.
Now, there's another way, because now when you're flying, it can be a little tricky to do this whole swipe up thing, but there is if you look on top of any app, you will see 3 dots. You can click on that, and then you can do split view. And then you will choose any app that you want to do the split screen, and you will do the same thing. You will have, you can use the third, half, whatever you need to do.
That's the easier way.
That's the easier way.
Just 3.
Yeah, touch that and then just click split view. Now, there is another option as well, not only split screen, but
some apps. So this is only available if both apps allow split view, and not all apps allow that. They may require to use the entire screen because they can't scale their graphics properly. So if your app does not allow that and you still want to display the information, then the side, what is it?
The split view, the slide over?
A slide over. It's called slide over.
Yeah. So same thing. You have the app, you're going to click here, and then you're going to do slide over. So that means this app is going to be on top of any other app. So again, I open my Levil Aviation app, I have it in the background, and I have my moving maps here, and I can do vice versa if I want to have the maps in the back and then have my Levil Aviation app on one side. The great thing about the slide over feature is, for example, I do have my IFES here that I'm going to use for landing. Let's say I don't need the map anymore. I can just get rid of this on the screen and just have the full view. But if I still want to bring my map back, I can just swipe from left to right or right to left, whichever way you want. And that's how you get the slide over feature back in place. So if you guys know any other trick, just let us know in the comments.